Assalamu alaikum developers, welcome back to the previous lesson. So in this lesson we will discuss the type date time, local, month and week. So let's see these things in code. Okay, I will use a date for, let's say for example, birthday. So I will use input as only date, nothing else. I will use input as a date. You can see everything right here, date time, and I will name as dd and LDD. Okay, okay, so let's run this 5 and the enter button. Now you can see this is the all birthday. Why BR doesn't work over here? Now you may see this is 2022 and this is are the years. So these are the years and you can change it. For example, November, December or 2023 is coming. So on. Okay, let's be right here. So for the next I will use max and min. Okay, so for max I will use max, input as input, let's say this date. I will use md max date and I will use over here is max. So this is the max, and if you want to make a farm for sports for example, and you want kids under 18, so you may use minimum. I will use minimum date over here, so min is equal to, and for example we have the date or 11/17/2022. So if you make it 18, it may be something 2008. No, okay, let's say 2006. So 2006 maybe this is 18 something. So I will make it, so if I make it 4, and now everyone should be 18 years old or something, they can apply, not more than that. Okay, I will use over here PR. Now for the third one, type date time local. Okay, so for the date time local, we use yd dt dl and the time local. Okay, run this. So this is a local time. If you want to put date, year, time and everything, so this is the, for example, this is November 17, and it will take directly your time. It will pick up the time of your system, I mean PC or laptop. So this is the, or maybe your cell phone. See, this is the time right now. Okay, so for the next one is month. This is the month and week. If you want to print month and year only. Okay, so let's say my input, this is month, so month and month. I run this thing. Now you can see this is the month and year. See, you may put minimum and maximum too. So if you want to pick up some year and a month, if you want to pick a whole week, you should use week as a type. See, this is week 48 of 2022. The next one is range and search. Let's see how does it work. So for example, I will use a range is R and R. If you run this, you can see this here. This is the, for example, if you want to use it for a volume and maximize and minimize. For the search, you can use only search as a type. So for example, if I want to search and input as search, C S and S, if you press this, and this is called search. You can use a search button over here is here. For example, if I click this as a, for example, search, okay, and refresh this, see this is a tab over here and search, and this is already an OK button. Okay, so how to pick up a file? So I will use only, for example, for a single file I will use file and input and file. If you run this, and you may see the how to pick up a file, choose a file, no file chosen. For example, I want to choose a file, let's say I have a file something, I will use on desktop. Okay, see, for example, if I want to pick up multiple files over here, for example, okay, let's say this and this, see, it doesn't work. If I press a control button and click on next one, it doesn't pick the multiple. Yes, if you want to upload all of your files, so how to select them, all of them at once? So you should use over here is let's say, for example, files, and input is same, I will see files and files, and I will use over here only multiple. That's it. So refresh this, and now you can see, okay, I will use it here is a here too. I refresh this, and this is the choose files, and this is called, this is choose file, and this is choose files. If you want, you may now you can see, let's say C, open 7 files selected, and if you want to select over here, you may use only one. See, this is the difference between the multiple and the simple one. So the last two ones are images, how to use an image. So this is not the difficult, this is the easy one. Input I will use as an input image, how to take an image, I mean how to use an image over here. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture with UKA, so I will use input is image, so yes here, and the source means give the source, I mean give the location from where you want to pick up the picture. So for example, if I have a picture over here and on a desktop, and I think if these are the pictures, so I will, first of all, I will rename this, for example, UKA, I think, yes, maybe, let's see what are they. Okay, this is the, okay, this is the, okay, this one I will call this one. So if you click this one and click properties, you may see the whole path over here. This is a path, see, copy this and click over here, paste it, and I will change this like this, /, and I will use the name of that picture. So what is the name of this picture? Name is UKA. So wait a minute, UKA, And you should notice the extension, this picture extension. If you want to see what is the extension, go to properties, and you can see here is a gpg dot gpg dot jpg. So run this and let's see what happened. See UK. If you want to use an image as a button, so design a picture. Alt means it gives you a message. This is a, for example, I will say UKA. So if I remove this picture, for example, I want to remove this picture, there is no picture. So if you refresh this, now you will see UKA. If your picture does not exist, it will give a message to the user that there was a picture named as UKA. So this is the message to the user. Okay guys, this is the end of forms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Wassalam.